There are some people who just get famous by being famous. One person is named Becky Vardy. She's got a lot of things done, a lot of people pay attention to her, and the latest thing that she's talking about is breast implants and the fact that they're like batteries. They have to be changed every 10 years?
Yeah, you know, I don't get this. I think there's urban legend out there that you have to have your implants replaced every 10 years, and I think that must have been started by an underemployed plastic surgeon looking for some extra work. My feeling is, if it ain't broke, why are we going to go fix it?
There are certain indications when you should get these implants checked and make sure that they're all right. Rippling is a common problem if someone places an implant that's too big for the underlying skin, or they sometimes place it in a subglandular position. You can see rippling, and another reason is capsular contracture. These are reasons to actually have your implants taken out and replaced as necessary.
Yeah, so subglandular meaning that the implant wasn't placed under the pectoralis muscle, it was placed on top. And that's something that was done a lot. I've got a couple years on you. And when I first started in practice—
4, 5.
Easy. Yeah, but when I first started there, that had been the norm, placing implants above. And you know, what happens over time is you get thinning of the tissues. And I think in this story, she talks about having kids, and you know, certainly that'll stretch tissues. And breast implant surgery really comes down at the end of the day to soft tissue cover.
Anoop, would you be worried if somebody came into your office, she's complaining about rippling, and with your best clinical eye, you know that there's no rippling? What would you do?
Well, you'd have to consult the patient. If they have misconceptions, you have to point them out, because there's no point in going to the operating room if you don't see it as a surgeon. And it's your job to educate the patient that there is no rippling and that she's going under the knife for no reason and putting herself under risk of general anesthesia.
So the rule of thumb here is breast implants are not batteries. For more information, go to theplasticsurgerychannel.com.